Yeah, welcome to the Van Rap Radio, and it is what it is. It's either the news or the music is going down. Guys, yo. So on social media, there've been a lot of stories, a lot of people talking about the new track, yeah, fellow, in terms of their return. So I'm going to teach us one of these old tracks in episode V, my story, which is a very nice track. It's a very educational song. Then I remember, damn, there's a track in episode of your fellow. In what it's a diss track to Adolf. I thought they were friends, man, because they just dropped the track. Now it was part of the track. If you mean fake friends, if I'm right, yeah, I think it's fake friend. They were all on that track. Next thing now, boom, fellow could drop a track. So I had like a lot of name dropping on that track. So Sharon is about. Let's get to the track. What do you think about the track by Fahani, the fellow, Achiri, their return? Yeah. Okay. So with Adolf na vivo. Yeah, I know. I don't think it's just a diss track. Unamapungwa. Dear Lord, ukorera bamwe banare abana goroya basemanga babebi nazezo libuloyi uri nabo queen popo bote ono bala yeah. Okay, now I understand why Queen Popo was trending, guys. Damn. Okay, guys, I think it's definitely true. There's a beef. Fellow na Adolf. There is a beef. That's why there's the diss track. Remember, you need to understand. This beef is two different things. There's a diss track because there was a beef beginning. In the beginning. Hey, A-Reece. Whoa, 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 whoa. Uko dita metro C, no killer G. Yeah? Metro CM, no killer G, Murena. Okay. Okay. I didn't expect to hear something like this from Fed in a long time. Yo. The difference is like I was on my time, but if I find a meaning, yeah, but somebody you suka papeti mus. Confessa mus. Kama mrepa zulengi. Okay, hurry up.
Repo yo suka lo toma Ponga di kutamba Kamnena ya unamuraro na ruti udobamba Murena ndoba tembisori Achinga bulitamba Ni muna wakuma Ni stika kazendamba Ni kare ndo pumura kutita msaza koluka Na transforma mbuzo ndifekaye Angoluka Naba generere uchizino murena ngati hunga Bifya disemba yoba Aba onkomba Dene mrepo wabari Uchanya ngombomba Ndi steering Lishiko diroba Sinorineba ngure turare kacho boy Namusirise upa Ukopanga rito musa Kana umugwaja Mara Adolf kodi murena Soru jaja Ngori reto senza Upa chachichila Chitere ndichitia chitu chincha chichechechila Uya tungubaza Ngamutera mtungu namubona Ningari apipano Ningari ndi mushona Ya Lord Uya mbesa una posho Dajure teka slanga Di musumbeze ndosho Adicho generera zitunga vosho Airplay kobalo Na upa dera jojo Izindi surprise Asemo la berera Prepo na timoni Nikumura perera
Yeah. I don't know what you think, guys. Mm, 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 mm. Let's be honest, man. Okay, I know Ri. Fellas, if there is nothing that is really going on, let's be honest, man. Let's be honest. Fellas, drop a hit diss track or something, but something should be going down. Something should have pissed him off. Damn it. Ay. Hinda. What was supposed to quit you? Yeah. Yeah, ne. I guess there's the story chingoropela ne paka mapungo fiwa kunyala no kuchibwa mungu todo feminina mini. I think there's more to this. I don't know what you guys think. I don't know, man. This is the Van Rap Radio, and that's the brand new track from Felo in Zofi. The Return, which is a diss track to Adolf. And is one of those guys that's always at war, man. Adolf does not have peace if he doesn't want to have peace. But honestly speaking, I love this music from way back. I don't know what went wrong because he used to have some dope tracks. Yeah, man, they were so perfect. They were so great. They were like dope tunes, man. I can say that this guy used to have some good music. But yeah, man, you never know what really went wrong. Shit happens. And yeah, definitely shit happens. But yeah, that's the track. You guys can check it out also. You just need to search online, or you can go to docofara.co.za and then when I download and sahone. Hish. Yeah, we are the venda. I need to take a look at it. Maybe we'll take a look at it if the artists was but yo, let me tell you, this is some dope shit and this is some crazy shit and this is damn it. Yo, fellow. Hi, Adolf. I hope you solve your differences, guys. We need you in this hip hop.